Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Soso Davids here, and I'll be showing you guys how to tie B and round. So guys, your measurement is 45-55. So guys, I'll be making 8 lovely pleats. Yes guys, this is what I'll be doing, making them perfectly. Ask your client or your muse to hold this by the side while you arrange. Now guys, you can go backwards and check if the pleats are correctly done. If they are not, then you yourself you do them. You'll be crossing it over. The shorter one will be on top and the longer one will be under. Then you start again by doing your pleats, 8 in number. Then you start off with your pleats. Make them as much as you want, but they should be very neat. So after making like 3 pleats, you take it to the back and you check if it's properly pleated. If it's not, then you pleat it over there and you tie it. Forget to drag the sides when you are done with tying so that you can be able to. So after tying, this is the time you make as much pleats as you like, as you would love for it to be. Please guys, subscribe, share and like my video. You can also turn up post notification. Whenever I post, you will receive this video notification. So when you're tying your gele, there's a way you shift your gele so that it can stand. Just do exactly the way I did mine. Shift the gele, like you're arranging it so it will have that standing form. That's just basically how it's done. I will advise you to place it towards the back of the ashoke. I would advise you to do that. Then you drag it, making sure it's standing. You can decide to tie yours or pin yours. With me, I would prefer to pin mine down. It's better for me. After tying or pinning it down, then you arrange it, you drag it, making sure your pleats are perfect. Arrange it, then guys, you are done. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this V and round gele video. Please guys, like, share and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram also at David, guys. Love you, bye.